So hi guys, we're going to get the antiderivative of x plus 4 all over x cubed dx. So ang gagamitin ng nating general formula or general power formula for this one is the antiderivative of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. Yung value ng n natin dito, n should not equal to 1. So, ito na yung gagamitin nating general formula sa general power formula. Ito yung gagamitin natin yung antiderivative of u to the n du equals u to the n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. So, given example number 1. So, ito, we need to find the antiderivative of x plus 4 all over x cubed dx. So, ang gagawin natin, integrate natin each by parts. So this one will be antiderivative of x dx plus the antiderivative of 4 all over x cubed dx. So, for this one, the second function, pwede na natin ilabas yung tawag dito, yung mismong constant na 4. So, we can write that as antiderivative of antiderivative of x dx plus yung 4 na constant, which is 4 times the antiderivative of 1 over x cubed. Nilabas lang natin yung 4 dx. So, gawin natin siyang itaas natin to x. So, ayan, pwede siyang maging wait lang, burahin natin to. Pwede siyang maging taas lang natin yung x cubed. So, 4 times the antiderivative of x raised to negative 3 dx. Tinaas lang natin yung x cubed. Kaya yung power niya ay magiging negative 3. So we can write that this one, we can apply this general power formula for this given item. So i-apply na natin siya sa unang term natin, which is yung antiderivative of x dx. So x, may invisible na 1 yan, raised to 1, plus 1 all over, yung n natin is 1 dito ha. Ang n natin dito is, for this term, ang n natin dyan, wait lang, ang n natin dito for this term is equal siya sa 1. Kaya nag-add tayo ng 1 dito. So 1, ganun din, mag-add din tayo ng kung ano yung ni-raise mong power sa u, ganun din i-add mo sa baba. So 1 plus 1 plus 4, this one, ito na yung gagamitin natin i-apply times bracket na lang para makita yung eto, since ang tawag dito, ang n natin dito is equal siya sa negative 3. So, we can write this as x raised to ang n natin, which is negative 3 plus 1 all over negative 3 plus 1. So, simplify na natin. So, eto, unang term, x raised to 1 plus 1 is simply as x squared all over 2. Kasi 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 4 times the quantity of negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So, x raised to negative 2. So, all over negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Okay. Baba natin onte. So, may ano na tayo. Simplify lang natin. I-substitute yung itong 4. So, we have x squared all over 2 plus itong 4 at saka yung negative 2, divisible naman siya. Kakancel tayo dito. Mawawala yung 2. Ito, divide sa 2, magiging 2 to. Since negative, so ito ay magiging times negative 2 x raised to negative 2. So, simplify. Ang magiging sagot natin dyan is x squared all over 2 plus minus na pala kasi negative yung minus 2x raised to negative 2 plus c. So, ang derivative ito na yung antiderivative ng function natin. So, ang function natin kanina, copy ko lang. Copy natin. Hint lang, highlight natin. Copy natin to. So, okay. Ito, ang function ng antiderivative of x plus 4 all over x cubed dx, ang antiderivative nun ay equal lang siya sa, copy natin to, ulit, di na-copy yung 2. Okay. Copy. Equal lang siya sa x. Ay, hindi nasama lahat. Kasama natin lahat. Okay. So, this will be the final answer. Huwag natin kakalimutan yung c. C is the constant value. So, this would be the answer. The antiderivative of x plus 4 all over x cubed dx equals to x squared all over 2 minus 2x raised to negative 2 plus c. Okay, next example. The antiderivative of x minus x squared all over x dx. So, ganito pa din general power formula natin gagamitin is itong nasa taas. Ganito pa din yung gagamitin nating formula. So, this one, we can separate this term as antiderivative of x all over x dx. minus antiderivative of x squared all over x. Uy, nag-triangle na siya. All over x dx. So, this one, ito, simple as 1 lang to, diba? Kasi x divided by x is simple as 1. So, 1 lang to. So, ito, we can write that as antiderivative of 1 dx minus ito, x squared all over x. Pag dinivide mo yung power, magiging x na lang to kasi 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So, matitira na lang is yung x. So, that would be antiderivative of x dx. So, we need to use this one. Yung power formula natin kanina na ginamit. So, this one will become x na lang kasi ginamitan natin ang power formula. The antiderivative of 1 dx is simple as x minus x. Ang n natin dito is 1. Ang n natin dito, ang n is 1. So, x raised to n, which is 1, plus 1, all over 1 plus 1. So, simplify, we have x minus x squared all over 2 plus c. Uy, naging 0 plus c. So, don't forget yung constant na c. So, ito na yung final answer ng given function natin. Yan.